understood that we need to have data to learn any machine learning algorithm or to run any machine learning application. So where do we get this data? How the data will be? That we will see here. First, a data set is a collection of data in which data is arranged in some order. So this data could be what types of data and data sets. That is, could be numerical, uh, categorical or ordinal. Numerically, such as pricing data, temperature data, all in numbers, represented in numbers. Categorical data is the yes or no, true or false, colors, sizes, like that. And ordinal data is very similar to the categorical data, but it will have some comparison purpose. Like we can compare with one object to other data. Okay. Then types of data sets. We have we are surrounded with a lot of data, that is image data, text data, time series data, tabular data. So when we see the image data, generally it is an arrangement of images, right? When most of the social media data and other data are in the form of images only. Even nowadays we are scanning the most of the application forms, and from there we need to extract that. That is the image. Initially, image processing will be done on that data. So it will be arranged in that, and this could be used for the object detection, classification, image segmentation, and all. And data sets like text data will be having the textual information like articles, books, reviews, film reviews, product reviews. That's all come under text data. Then comes out time series data. Series data contains the information from one time zone. Like if you are starting from this monthly data, weekly, or thing, mostly stock information, sales information. These are all things will be stock trading will be putting under the time series data. So need to find the pattern there, how it is being sold or how it is being the business operations are done there. So that is a same time series data. Then tabular data. Most of the other organized information, like whichever the data we can keep pricing data, temperatures, whatever we discussed, everything numerical or categorical or everything will be put under the one tabular data set. Even if it is a textual information also will be segmented into some information, and that will be kept under the tables, and from there the corresponding methods will be applied in order to take the data out. So like this, all kind of data. So we have seen this kind of data, right? So we can get some freely available, like publicly available open source information is available in the various website. Like we are seeing this ImageNet, CIFAR 10, MNIST, this Gutenberg task data set, IMDb film review set, and time series data like security exchange information, climate information, sensor readings, and these are available publicly in so and so websites. Okay, like a Kaggle, UCI, Dataset via AWS, Google, Microsoft. Everybody is maintaining their own dataset. This can be used for our learning and research purpose. So once we get this data, we need to do some pre-processing to make use for the next level of machine learning step. So once we get this original data set, we need to divide the data into one is a training set and a test set. In the training set, first that will be further will be divided training set and validation set, and test set will remain as test set. So whatever the model, whatever the training you do, right, one model will be created that you will validate first, and then once validation is satisfied, validation requirements are satisfied, we will test with the test data. This test data is never exposed to the training data, and once this is if we are happy with the metrics, we will take that model and deploy into the corresponding application. Okay, this is how it happens once we get the data.